Hello students, let's continue the same chapter in SST. Chapter 11, Great National Leader. Today we will know about Subhas Chandra Bose. Now let's start. Subhas Chandra Bose, the great national hero of Bengal, was born in Cuttack, Odisha on 23rd January 1897. He was a patriotic and selfless leader of India, popularly known for forming the Indian National Party. His father, Janki Nath Bose, was an eminent pleader. His mother's name was Prabhavati Devi. He devoted himself to the cause of national independence. He found that the non-cooperation movement under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi was active all over the country. Subhas refused to accept the assignment given by the British government and dedicated himself to call of his motherland. In 1938, Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose became the president of the Indian National Congress. He was so popular that he was again elected president in 1939 in spite of the oppositions. Subhas Chandra Bose decided to form the Forward Bloc. Soon Subhas Chandra Bose became popular among the youth of the country for his burning patriotism. He called the people to join the freedom movement of the country. To counter the British Army, he formed the Indian National Army, famously known as Azad Hind Fauj. INA was a very powerful and large unit of army. It was Subhas Chandra Bose who became the commander-in-chief of his army. This national army declared war against the British on February 1944. He called an address to the people of the country from Rangoon. Give me blood, I will give you freedom. For his extraordinary bravery, mental and moral strength, to winter he became famous as Netaji. He died in an aeroplane accident on 18th August 1945. Now we will discuss about Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was born in Hyderabad on 13th February 1879. Aghor Nath Chattopadhyay was her father. Varada Sundari Devi was her mother. From her school days, she began to write poems in English language. At the age of 13, she wrote a long poem and a drama in English. Sarojini Naidu was a very brilliant student. She passed the matriculation examination only at the age of 12. She passed in the first class. She went to England for higher studies. Later, she became a member of the Royal Literacy Society in London. She was known as Nightingale of India. In 1898, she married Dr. Govinda Rajulu Naidu of Andhra Pradesh. She then joined the Indian freedom movement. Sarojini met Gandhiji and later became the president of the Congress for some time. She took active part in the movement started by Gandhiji. Sarojini Naidu was sent to jail for taking part in active politics. India won freedom on 15th August 1947. Sarojini Naidu was made the governor of Uttar Pradesh. She was a true patriot and offered her selfless service to the nation. At that time, her health began to fail and then she passed away on 2nd March 1949. In next class, we will discuss about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and Jawaharlal Nehru. Till then, thank you.